Hi, my name is Amit. I'm from Whitby location, and we talk about today the new LG styler. It's called steamer, and the model number is S3RFBN. And today we talk about steam for this one. And nowadays the situation of the world, like we every time wash the clothes every single times. So especially your dress shirts, everything you have to sanitize your dresses, and you can get this decent. You can sanitize your coat, jackets every time, and you can just go like this one and put the jackets here, or any dress, including your pants also, and you can use the sanitize or steam your dress. And if you're looking for more detail for this about this one, please let me know. My name is Amit and my extension 443. Thank you.